Safety without exception. Protection through connection. The new Master Lock Connected Lockout Tagout solution. When lives are at stake, every detail matters. It's time to digitize workplace safety solutions. We're pioneering a new era in workplace safety and accountability. Step into the future of connected cLOTO management. Our desktop plus mobile applications put safety and innovation in your hands, empowering streamlined operations and processes. Eliminate time-intensive manual tasks. Remotely manage, monitor, and analyze your entire cLOTO process. Increase employee safety and accountability. Our cLOTO solution enables accountability and safety from anywhere. The Master Lock cLOTO solution.